Welcome back. Today, let's learn how to find the equation of a quadratic function given a graph. So what are we supposed to do? In this type of problem, we are given the parabola or the graph of the quadratic function. So what will you do? First is we need to find the vertex of the parabola. If our parabola opens upwards, the minimum point is called the vertex. While if our parabola opens downwards, the maximum point is called the vertex. Our vertex have the coordinates h and k. So first, we need to find the coordinates of our vertex. Then, we determine one x-intercept. Remember, the x-intercept is the point that passes by the x-axis. So we now have our x-intercept, that's x with a 0 for the y. Then we will substitute the value of our vertex and the x-intercept in the vertex form, y equals a quantity x minus h squared plus k. Then our output will be the value of a. The next, after finding for the value of a, we will substitute again the value of our vertex hk and the value of our a. Then we'll have it in this one again. In the last one, we convert or we transform from the vertex form to the standard form. Shall we start? Let's have our first example. Here, if you check, what's our vertex? Our parabola opens upwards. So the minimum point is our vertex. Our vertex hk can be found in 2, -3. The value of our h is 2, while the value of our k is -3. Next, we find one x-intercept. We check our x-axis. There are 2 points in the graph that crosses by the x-axis. We have 5, 0, and we have -1, 0. Just choose one of it. For example, we take 5, 0. Now, we have our vertex and we have one x-intercept. So we will substitute its values in our vertex form. That's y equals a quantity x minus h squared plus k. Our output must be finding for the value of a. Let us substitute. The value of our vertex, h is 2, so x minus 2 squared. Then plus -3 for our k. Remember, our x is 5, so let's substitute x with 5. While our y is 0. The next, we have a, that's 0 on the other side. 5 minus 2 is 3 squared plus -3. So we now have 3 squared is 9. So 9a minus 3. We transpose our constant to the other side since we are looking for the value of a. So we have 3 equals 9a. We divide both sides by 9. So a is equal to 3 over 9. Or if we simplify it, if we divide the numerator and denominators by 3, a is equal to 1/3. So we now have the value for a. Now let's find for the equation of the quadratic function. What will we do next? Again, find the vertex. Our vertex is at 2, -3. And remember, the value of our a is 1/3. We substitute these values to the vertex form of our quadratic function. That's y equals a quantity x minus h squared plus k. Remember, our a is 1/3 times x minus h 2 squared plus k plus -3. Remember, positive times negative is negative still. Then we will distribute 1/3. Oops, not yet. Before distributing, we'll expand this binomial first. X minus 2 squared is the same as x minus 2 times x minus 2. This is x squared minus 4x plus 4. So let's copy that. X squared minus 4x plus 4. We distribute 1/3 to the ones inside. So we have y equals 1/3 x squared minus 4/3x plus 4/3 minus 3. Let's simplify the last two. We have y equals 1/3 x squared minus 4/3x, and we have -5/3. This is now the equation of our quadratic function.